Okay, first they want us to find the dimensions of this generic rectangle. So an x squared as an area means that this is x by x. So that means that this down here is x and this over here is x, right? All right. So now x times what is negative 5x, so this must be a negative 5, which means this is a negative 5. And x times what is 3x, which is 3, and this is there. So the dimensions for the area would be x plus 3 times x minus 5, right? And if we multiply that, right, area equals, we would get x squared minus 5x plus 3x minus 15, and these are like terms. So we get the area equals x squared minus 2x minus 15. So here it is as the sum of areas, and here it is as a product of length times width.